Hello, this is an instructional video on how to make a PowerPoint slide and just all the little tiny buttons you have to use in making that slide. So we'll go to Applications and scroll down to the black folder and open up Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, these are different themes you can pick. Just pick a plain white one. We like to build it from scratch. In fact, you can go ahead and click on the border of these and hit the delete key because we don't need these. We're going to make our own. Okay, if we go down here and look in what's called the sorter view, you can look at all the slides. Let's make some more. If I select this, and I can go two fingers and copy, and then paste, or I can hit Command V, paste, 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 paste. You get the idea. So if we double click, it brings us to our first slide. If we want to find a picture from the internet, we will have to save it to iPhoto by dragging it. But once it's there, to add a picture, we just go to Insert, Photo, from Browser, and this little guy will pop up right here, and you can pick from all of your iPhoto pictures you have. For instance, I can go down here and add this picture of a nuclear power plant that I saw in Ohio, and we can close this when we're done. It's very simple. If you want to draw a line, which we'll do a lot of in our class, we can click on the home key right here, and then right here where it says insert, there's all different types of things to insert. If we wanted to insert some of our texts, we can click on text box, okay. I don't like word art, so don't ever use this stuff. We just type the text box. If you want to change what's in the text box, click on the border, and we can increase the font size, we can change the font type, we can bold and underline and italicize and everything. But just no word art. If we want to outline something, shapes, or any shape, we want to put a rectangle in to encircle something, we can do that around the stop sign. Okay, if you want to change what this looks like, you can just two-finger click on it and format it. We're going to change the formatting. You can change what it's filled with, like we can make it red. You can change the line by increasing or by changing the color. Let's go with this. And then the size and the thickness of the line is the weight and arrows. And you can increase that right there. Okay, you can make it really big, and it changes right here so you can see your changes. I don't think we need it quite that big, but you get the idea. There's no line at all. Okay, now you can also change things like the shadow it casts, or the just different parts and things you can do. You can crop it from here, but you get the idea. Okay. Now for a line, which I'm now finally getting to, is under lines and connectors as opposed to rectangles or other shapes. I mean, you can insert all kinds of different shapes. But we're going to do a line. There's lots of lines you can make. Some have arrows, some you can bend. This is how you draw. It's called scribble. And I can outline this smokestack. And basically, you just got to be careful and follow your borders. And we'll do this, we'll outline countries. Sometimes it makes a shape if you complete the line. If you want to change that back to a line, again, we just two-finger and we format the shape. We don't want it to be filled. We want it to have no fill. And maybe we want the line to be red. We just go here, make it red, make sure it's nice and big so we can all see it, maybe like something like that. And then we can go OK. there you go. That's how you do a lot of the basic functions in PowerPoint.